There has been a lot of talk about the potential health effects of PFAS in the drinking water out on the West Plains, but it can be hard to know where to get accurate information and then what to do with it. That's why the West Plains Water Coalition is hosting an important Q&A meeting next week with Dr. Bob Lutz. You likely remember him as the former health officer for Spokane Regional Health during the COVID pandemic. On Monday, he will lead a discussion open to anyone in the public who wants to learn more about exposure to PFAS and how to talk to your doctor. I talked with him one-on-one today.
What would you say to people who are concerned that they have been drinking water for decades before realizing that there was this potential contamination?
So for me, the take-home message to an individual who is concerned about past exposure and or present exposure is limit your exposure as best you can. And right now, primarily in West Plains, it's water, but also know that if you're eating foods that have been grown out there or animals that have been raised out there, it's likely they've been exposed to PFAS as well.
Dr. Lutz also says there is now a blood test that can detect how much PFAS is in your blood. Earlier this week, KREM 2 told you how the EPA is also now going to pay to test the private wells for about 300 property owners living in that priority testing zone. We've got more information on all of this right now on our website. Just go to krem.com. And if you would like to attend that meeting with Dr. Lutz, you can see up there on the corner of your screen. It starts at 7 p.m. this coming Monday. It's at the Hub in Airway Heights.